What is Qiwi today? We are a financial service that simplifies regular needs of more than 62 million customers. They pay for more than 11,000 most popular Russian and international services and goods via cash, electronic money, and bank cards. Market leaders choose Qiwi for simple integration, various payment methods, multi-currency settlements. Qiwi is a public company, the only one in the country having a co-branding program with Visa. What can we do for you? Russian e-commerce market is growing fast, but still, over 55% of customers pay only with cash in kiosks. Grow your potential audience by offering all payment methods. Our products cover different user stories. How to get started? First, sign the agreement with the help of your personal account manager. Complete integration with the API, and that's it. Do you want to increase sales? Use payment on delivery option. Qiwi can provide you with our target advertising capabilities. Publish your special offer and Qiwi bonus, and users will choose you to attract new customers. The biggest merchants choose Qiwi as their main payment method for Russian customers. Games, retail, IT, gambling, PSP. Choose Qiwi and extend your business opportunities in Russia.